you know what happened? That part right there that I told you about, it could pop off. Well, it was half popped off and I didn't pay attention to it. So anyway, see the medicine coming out now? That goes in your lungs. Put that part on your mouth. Then you breathe in and you breathe out your nose. Don't breathe back out your mouth, because that's where the medicine's going in. So I got that machine and the tubes and everything for $40. Well, I had to pay for the medicine right there, separate. But I'm talking about the machine parts. You see the medicine coming out there, nice and good. Yeah, buddy. Especially in this heat. I take one of these. You got me, boy. Hard to breathe in this heat. Alright, guys. I made 3 videos here. I had to delete some files and stuff. So I had to come back and do it again. Alright, guys. Henry Sheen. The company is Henry Sheen Compressor Nebulizer. Okay, guys. I hope you all got that together. It's got the tubes. Got the part where you put the medicine in right there where the green is. You screw that white thing up on top of it. Screw it. And make sure this is tight on there and turned. You got to turn it real tight to keep it on there, because it pops off, or sometimes it pops half off. And the medicine won't come out. And that's your tubes of medicine right there. Okay, guys, it's hot. Peace.